Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Jamaican cornmeal or polenta. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my cornmeal. I also have my deboned saltfish. I also have some cocksoup mix, and I also have some coconut milk powder. I also have a combination of seasoning, onion, scallion, tomatoes, and also thyme, and I also have some mixed vegetables. So what I did, I went ahead and add some butter to the pot that I'm gonna cook my cornmeal in or polenta in, and I allow it to melt. Then I'm gonna go in and add my seasoning, and again the seasoning consists of tomatoes, onion, bell peppers. I also have some scallion, I also have garlic, and I also have thyme. So I'm gonna go in and combine everything together. Then I'm gonna go in and add the saltfish, and guys, please note that my saltfish, I boil it 3 times to remove the excess salt from my saltfish, and I also went in and add the mixed vegetable. Of course, you want to ensure that you combine everything together properly. I will also go in and add the cocksoup mix, and of course I'm also gonna go in and add my coconut milk powder. Now you can always go ahead and combine your coconut milk powder in water, but I didn't want to do it that way. I just went in and added to the pot with the other ingredients. All right, and of course you want to ensure that you combine everything together. This smells so good, guys, so good. And guys, for the polenta, it takes a little bit of time and patience because you have to ensure that the cornmeal is cooked properly. So you always have to monitor the cornmeal or polenta, whatever you call it in your country. All right. So I'm basically gonna go in and add some water, and of course we have to allow this to cook because we want to ensure that the coconut milk is cooked properly. So we're gonna allow this to cook for roughly 5 minutes. And guys, always remember to taste because you want to ensure that it's not too salty nor too fresh. All right, so I'm gonna go in and add some more water. And guys, please note that all the ingredients for this cornmeal will be in the description box. You can go ahead and try it out. Always remember that my recipes act as a guide, therefore you can go in and add or subtract whatever you want. Remember, cooking is about being creative. Remember to try to be you in the kitchen. All right, guys. So now that it's all boiling up, it's time to go ahead and add the cornmeal. Of course, you want to take your little time and add the cornmeal, and of course you will have to allow your cornmeal to cook. All right, guys, if you see it's a little bit watery, you can always go in and add some more cornmeal if you want it to be thick, but for me I don't want it to be too thick. All right, remember you have to get rid of the lumps also, guys. So remember, you have to constantly turn your cornmeal, all right? Hence the reason it's called cornmeal. So guys, basically some of the footage lost, but I'm gonna show you as much as possible. So I'm gonna continue to just turn it, then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's almost finished cooking, because we have to continue to just turn it until it is cooked. All right, you can go in and you can taste it, and then you will know if it's cooked. All right, and this take me roughly 35 minutes or so, including boiling the saltfish and peppering everything. So I'm just gonna scrape off the excess cornmeal and allow this to cook. So guys, as I said earlier, you want to always ensure that you turn your cornmeal. You don't want it to be too thick, so you always want to pay attention. All right, so of course I'm gonna go in and add some of the water that I took out of the cornmeal. I'm gonna add it back because I think it's getting a little bit too thick and dry, and I don't want it to be too dry, so I'm gonna add some more water to it. All right, so basically this is my turned cornmeal, guys. So I'm gonna share this up and show you guys the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my turned cornmeal or polenta. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's a little bit short, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it out at home. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.